Boat lilies, also known as Moses-in-the-Cradle or oyster plant, are relatively easy to care for, thriving in bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Consistent watering. Keeping the soil moist but not soggy is crucial. They also prefer temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's a more detailed look at boat lily care. First, about light. Boat lilies prefer bright, indirect light. They can tolerate partial shade, but too much direct sunlight can scorch the leaves. Second, for watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Overwatering and root rot are common problems. Let the soil dry out slightly between waterings. Third, about soil. Boat lilies thrive in well-draining soil with a pH of 6.0 to 7.0. Add organic matter to improve drainage, especially in heavy clay soils. Fourth, temperature requirements. They prefer temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Fifth, fertilizing. Fertilize once a month during spring and summer with a diluted liquid fertilizer. Sixth, about propagation. Boat lilies can be propagated from divisions. Seventh, some common problems. Brown spots on leaves can indicate overwatering, underwatering, or environmental stress. Inspect for pests and diseases regularly. Finally, some notice about toxicity. Boat lilies can be an irritant to dogs, causing drooling, vomiting, and skin issues. If you have pets, keep the plant out of reach or choose dog-friendly plants.